Another day, another full automation fit out complete. We are using the top of the range Alpha motors here throughout the property. Check out this outdoor enclosure. Zero noise, 100% smooth, and that's why Alpha is our go-to. It makes the installation easy for us and the operation effortless for our clients. Look at this precision. Whether it is a massive blind or a small window, they line up perfectly. We call it precision, power, and perfection for a reason. If you need quality blinds and awnings that last, motorize them with Alpha Tubular motors. And call Jim's Express Services today for a free quote.